Unfiled 2021 tax return but taxes paid. This is from Lost Caterpillar 810. I recently received a letter from the IRS stating that I paid a surplus amount in taxes, which I figured out was the tax amount owed for 2021 that was paid at the time of filing my tax return in 2022. On digging deeper, I found out that my CPA/tax consultant submitted an unsigned tax return in 2022 for 2021 taxes, and I was sent a letter from the IRS to sign and send the tax returns back. My CPA didn't inform me about this, so a signed tax return was never sent back to the IRS. Okay. Situation is, the IRS never, it sounds like they paper filed their tax return for 2021 and 2022. However, apparently, the tax return that was submitted to the IRS was not signed by the taxpayer. Yeah. So the IRS could not process it. However, it sounds like along with that unsigned tax return for 2021 that was sent to the IRS in 2022, there was a check for the amount owed per the tax return, right? That's what this person is saying here. A surplus amount in taxes, which I figured was the tax amount owed for 2021, that was paid at the time of filing my return 2022. At the time they mailed the tax return in, they included a check, okay, for that amount. Let's say it's $10,000. So what's this letter that Lost Caterpillar recently received from the IRS? I'm guessing this is maybe a CPA 81, but I don't know. I think the CPA 81 for 2021 would have gone out a year ago. But in any case, let's get to the questions. I have two questions regarding this. What are my options now? Should I file a 2021 return now and let IRS know what happened? Will I be penalized even though the tax was already paid? Yeah, file it. File it. If that was the accurate amount of, if you paid in the full amount of tax that was due, you shouldn't be facing any penalties and interest, right? File it. I'm a U.S. permanent resident and will be applying for citizenship soon. Will this affect my citizenship application in any way? I'm not an expert in, immigration and things like that. I do understand that, those who apply for citizenship, there's an expectation that they are in a bright moral standing or something like this, and this includes with their financial obligation, which includes with their taxes. I'm not an expert in this area, but we have helped people who have been people who have told us, hey, we're going for citizenship here. My immigration attorney told me I need to get my tax situation squared away, who were in a lot deeper messes than this, right? Because they just basically didn't file their returns for several years, right? You made a good faith effort to file your return. Obviously, it didn't happen because of what the CPA or tax consultant did. So again, I'm not an expert, but let me just say we have dealt with folks who this is just my experience, right? Our experience. We've dealt with folks going for citizenship who were able to get citizenship, who were who did much worse things from a tax perspective in terms of tax compliance than you're looking at here. So let me just say that. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Good question. I love answering people's tax questions wherever I can find them. And if you owe the IRS or your state at least $10,000 in back taxes, or you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns, go ahead, give us a call at Choice Tax Relief. You qualify for free consultation, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website. We will reach out to you. And I have some other videos here on the left-hand side of the screen for your education and enjoyment. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.